Hey traders, Arjun here. Rahul has been using candlestick patterns and support resistance, but he keeps getting faked out. A hammer at support that fails. A breakout that reverses. He needs something to filter out the noise. Today, Rahul discovers the tool that every institutional trader on earth uses. Moving averages. Rahul discovers moving averages. A moving average is simply the average price over a specific number of days. The 50-day moving average takes the last 50 closing prices, adds them up, and divides by 50. Every day, it moves forward one day. That is why it is called a moving average. It smooths out the noise and shows you the trend. When price is above the 50 EMA, the trend is up. When price is below, the trend is down. That is it. That's simple. There are two types you need to know. The simple moving average, or SMA, gives equal weight to every day. The exponential moving average, or EMA, gives more weight to recent prices. Most traders prefer the EMA because it reacts faster. For the rest of this video, when I say moving average, I mean the EMA. Two moving averages matter more than all the others combined. The 50 EMA shows the short-term trend. Swing traders and institutions watch this religiously. The 200 EMA shows the long-term trend. This is the line that separates bull markets from bear markets. If you only use two indicators for the rest of your trading career, make it these two. When the 50 EMA crosses above the 200 EMA, it is called the golden cross. It means the short-term trend has turned bullish and is now pulling up the long-term trend. This is one of the most powerful buy signals in all of technical analysis. Studies show that stocks gain an average of 12% in the 6 months following a golden cross. The opposite is the death cross. The 50 EMA crosses below the 200 EMA. Short-term trend turning bearish, dragging down the long-term trend. This is when institutions start selling. When you see a death cross, it is time to protect your capital. Reduce position sizes or move to cash. Now watch Rahul use this. Reliance has been falling for 2 weeks. Price is below both the 50 and 200 EMA. Then something changes. The stock bottoms near 2300. Starts climbing. First, it crosses above the 50 EMA. Then the 50 EMA starts curling up. And on day 35, the golden cross. The 50 EMA crosses above the 200 EMA. Rahul enters at 2400. With the golden cross confirmed, Rahul holds his position. Price pulls back to the 50 EMA twice. Both times it bounces. That is the beauty of moving averages as dynamic support. Instead of guessing where support is, the 50 EMA tells you. Rahul's stop is always just below the 50 EMA. If price closes below it, he is out. Simple rules. No emotions. For weeks later, Reliance hits 2560. Rahul sells when price closes below the 50 EMA for the first time since his entry. His profit, 160 rupees per share. On 30 shares, that is 4,800 rupees. His biggest win yet. Not because he found a magic indicator. Because he followed the trend. Rahul's moving average rules. 1. Only buy above the 50 EMA. 2. The golden cross is a strong buy signal. 3. Use the 50 EMA as your trailing stop. 4. Reduce size or go to cash on a death cross. 5. Never fight the 200 EMA. If price is below it, the big picture is bearish. These 5 rules alone will keep you on the right side of every major move. Moving averages do not predict the future. They tell you what the market is doing right now. And that is all you need. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's trading journey.